Welcome to PFCU's video on how to create a wire template in business banking. In this video, we'll show you how to create a wire template, then initiate a wire using the template. Templates can save time and reduce errors because your wire instructions are saved, eliminating the need to re-enter details such as routing and account numbers every time you initiate a wire. Let's get started. From the Accounts page in Business Banking, go to Move Money, then Manage Payment Templates. This page displays existing templates and statuses. Click Add a Template, enter a name for your template, select the account that will fund the wire. Scroll down to the beneficiary information and enter the name and address of the person to receive the wire. Enter the bank account number, then re-enter it to confirm. Skip past the reference information field and enter the purpose of the wire. Enter the wire routing number of the other financial institution. Scroll down to the amount to pay, enter a dollar amount, then click Save Template. If the account has other admins, the status of the template will say Approval Pending, and the other admins will be notified by email. Other admins can review and approve the wire template from the My Approvals widget on the Accounts page. If the account doesn't have any other admins, the wire template is ready to be used. Go to Move Money, then make Collect a Payment. Select Make Payments. Use a template is the default choice. Click in the field to select an existing template. This displays the wire instructions. Review the wire instructions to verify they are correct. If you want to send the wire in the future, select a send-on date. Otherwise, the wire will be sent the same day if it is before the cutoff time or on the next business day. Verify the wire amount, then click Continue to review. Review the payment once more, and if everything is correct, click Pay. A confirmation message appears to tell you the wire was scheduled. Again, if the business has secondary admins, then one of them must approve the wire before it can be sent. If you need to cancel the wire before it is sent, contact PFCU as soon as possible. We hope you found this informative. Thanks for watching.